Hello, my name is Alyssa Rodriguez, and I will be using a sociological perspective to analyze mass media and popular culture in 17 magazine. 17 magazine is one of the top-selling teen fashion magazines. Its loud, bright, colorful cover catches the eye of many teen and young adult females looking to read the latest gossip about their favorite celebrities. It also informs readers and gives advice about trending styles and clothing, makeup, boys, and anything else girl-related. Additionally, the magazine's attention-grabbing side titles lure readers to flipping through its pages in order to obtain the knowledge necessary to fit the current culture norm. The media and celebrities play an important role because of the influence they have in a teenager's life. Many teens use celebrities as reference groups because oftentimes they aspire to be like them, influencing their actions and appearance. Page 133 of the textbook defines a reference group as a group that provides standards by which a person evaluates his or her own personal characteristics. Therefore, by using celebrities and attention-grabbing titles that pertain to the age class of their target audience, 17 magazine is able to attract more consumers. The magazine features current popular celebrities on the cover page to show that it is the latest magazine out in store. Since it is primarily a fashion and beauty magazine, it encourages teen girls to make themselves as beautiful as possible to attract the opposite sex. It subliminally sets an underlying definition of what beauty is and looks like. This embodied status is generated by the physical characteristics seen by most of the models in this magazine. Unsurprisingly, the status of beauty is defined as a white, skinny female. 17 magazine's target audience is all teenage girls. Although there are models of different races, the dominant model seen throughout the magazine is white. However, not everyone is born with his or her ascribed status being white. Therefore, their models have embodied a different status for the different races. They are all thin. This message behind the Nike advertisement, "Make Yourself," is telling girls they can make themselves look fit and thin like the girls in this photo by exercising. And you can tell this because they are all wearing athletic wear. According to Chapter 4, page 115 of our textbook, the larger scaffolding of society also plays an important role in developing our individual identity by the different statuses and roles imposed upon us informally. Chapter 7 discusses social class and inequalities seen within different social classes. Social class is a system of stratification based on access to resources such as wealth, property, power, and prestige. The members of society are grouped into categories, which lead to social inequalities where wealth, power, and prestige are unequally distributed amongst gender, race, class, and age. Being wealthy, white, or male usually confers a higher status than being poor, non-white, or female. In this advertisement for prom dresses, the women on the left-hand side are non-white and are seen wearing beautiful, colorful prom dresses, while the ladies on the right surrounding the latter are white and are wearing white prom dresses. White is a symbol of privilege, wealth, and purity, and by solely having white females advertise the white prom dresses, the advertisers have unconsciously or consciously given the higher status to the white female. Additionally, it can be noted that the non-white females are standing together holding hands, enjoying their life in unity, while the white females have a more serious and more reserved look and stand alone. They are not holding hands. Do they hold themselves higher because of the prestige given to them? According to the textbook, page 282, Weber believed that prestige, alongside power and wealth, influence social class and other perceptions of who they are. Furthermore, there is an unearned advantage of being in the privileged dominant group. For models, the privileged dominant group is white and skinny. This privilege is often invisible to the privileged because they are blinded to the challenges faced by other groups. Obtaining a model position for non-white females is difficult because the advertisers want the ideal candidate. If any non-white female auditioned for this position and was a phenomenal model but did not get the position because she was non-white and did not fit the picture because the advertiser unconsciously let her go because of her race, the advertiser was being racist. In this Got Milk advertisement, the models are all white. Just because milk is white does not mean white people only consume it. All individuals around the world consume it. However, milk is white. White equals wealth. Therefore, by utilizing white models, they are likely to draw in more money. Although some people dismiss the factor of race for social inequality, it is still an unconscious problem that is relevant. Chapter 8, page 226 states that race does matter and racism does still exist, and it is important to be race conscious in order to really move toward a race-free society. In this last advertisement, one of my favorites, Keds is promoting feminism. Ladies first since 1960, it says under on the right-hand side. According to the textbook, the feminist theory promotes women to be equals in areas where women have traditionally been minimized or overlooked entirely. This is found on page 266 of the textbook. The Keds ad says, never underestimate a pretty face. Oftentimes, the value of a woman is placed on her looks rather than what she can contribute intellectually. This is often seen in male-dominated workplaces. Women's ideas are most often never heard because their role is to be caretakers and supporters, not leaders. However, they are so much more. The picture on the ad is so strong because it shows that women will fight for their rights. Although she may be pretty, she is still fierce and a force to be reckoned with. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope you enjoyed it.